Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene. This C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, aluminum wheels, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, Embrace 2 external memory control, power tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver remarks, consider the C-Class as all that Mercedes-Benz knows about full-size luxury distilled into a smaller package. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.